doing Laguna Churup today. The hike is about 4 miles and
about 600 meters. I would think maybe 2,000 feet elevation.
it took about 45 minutes to get here. Ready?
Let's go.
Map of the trail. We got picked up around 8:30, but I did read online that you can leave by 7:30 at the earliest. And we are starting the hike at 9:30. We're walking for maybe a mile, and now we're reaching the pay station, I believe, at the National Park entrance. Hola!
Off we go. It's 30 soles per person, and you just have to register, put your name down, passport number. Alright, it looks like we're at another cross point. There might be a fork in the road where you go up to Overview or go to the lake. We're going to decide to go to the lake, I think, especially because the mountain is clear right now. So let's see if we can get some beautiful pictures. Alright, we've reached a point where you have to do somewhat of a climb up these rocks. It's a little bit of a scramble, but there is a chain with rubber around it so you can pull yourself up. You'll see how it is right now. It's not too steep. It's probably about 50 feet up.
Less than a mile to go, which is kind of crazy. I feel like we haven't even been going that long. Whew. I'm out of breath though.
There you go, good job. We've made it. We're gonna get some lunch now. Enjoy this view. Alright, so we are heading back now. We just had some lunch and enjoyed this beautiful view for about an hour and a half. So this is amazing. Got a slight headache while we got up here because it's at 4,500 meters, just under that actually. But yeah, it really wasn't that bad. It was a challenge for the legs, but energy-wise, seemed alright.
Well, we haven't gone down yet.
True.
And our knees are usually what kill us, so we'll have to check back in at the end.
Yes.
Now we're gonna take this way to the Mirador and there's a loop and then we'll go back. It's so blue.
Woo! Woo! We made it! Ow! Ow, ow, ow!
Laguna Churup!
Churup!
Churup, churup.
Bless our souls and
Bless our knees.
strengthen our knees, yes. Bless our knees.
Give us the strength. Finished the hike right before the 3 p.m. bus. It's literally 2:59 right now.
1 minute. It was about 2.2 miles on the way back, and it took us about an hour and 41 minutes leaving the lake.
But, sorry.
No, I was gonna say 45 miles.
Your hair is kind of crazy. No. Overall, luckily my knees didn't get any sharp pain. They're definitely sore, so that's a good sign. I was nervous because I was still really sore from our first hike, but that was a really good acclimatization hike.
Yeah.
Beautiful views.
10 out of 10.
I'd probably recommend it over Wilcacocha.
Coca dip.
Got that coca dip in. We are at the tallest point. Had to put some coca dip in.
We're getting a headache. So we put some coca leaves in our lip. Some dip.
Dip in the lip.
Okay.
Alright, let's go back down. We gotta go all the way.
It's cool because you can literally see the whole path from here.
Are we ready? Are we ready for this?